In this session, we talk about the legal and financial factors. We start with the legal factors, that what impact does legality have in international business, what aspects should be considered when developing an international business project from legal point of view, like we did it in the project. We talk about the rule of law, that is how the people in the country are following the law, and we talk about an example of a legal factor, that is the norm, the control of norms in Mexico, for example, that get a recruitment in products for a specific country, and they prove the products with an official laboratory with authorities to test the efficiency of the product. Then we talked about the international trade has a fundamental characteristics that make it different to other factors of influence, and it cannot be ignored. The laws governing a country or a region must be promoted and encouraged to development of business, because the legal factors have to help the business to increment the efficiency in a country. A stable government and an adequate court of system are necessary to ensure a welcome environment to foreign business, because they help to the economy in the business. International legal forces, we talk about the rule of law, that is how they use it in a country, that if they have a strong rule, they want to establish a business, and the relation between the countries and the business. The international laws, the public between government relations, diplomatic issues concerning rights and obligations, and the private, the laws between individuals or companies crossing internet borders. The sources of international law is the treaties between nations, customary international law, and the extraterritorially that between countries. And we talk about the dispute settlement, the litigation and issues surrounding performance of contract, and intervention of UN's International Court of Justice, that also requires a voluntary compliance for both of parties. We talk about the intellectual property, that we made an activity investigation from some other questions. We talk about the patents, the trademarks, the trade names, the copyrights, the trade secrets, and some examples about it. The national legal forces, the taxes, the antitrust law, the bad currency, the tariff, quotas, and other obstacles, and the torts. And that's all we made in this activity. We related in the first activity we made with Marcela Porras to the investigation, so we understand better the concepts when Mr. Casal explained it, and that's all.